Welcome to Webstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to download all data from Google. It includes everything that you have in your Google account everywhere. To do that, go to google.com, click your profile image, click Manage your Google account. From the left side, click Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Under Download or Delete Your Data section, click Download Your Data. This is takeout.google.com. Here everything is selected to be downloaded by default. 68 of 70 selected. Everything is already selected, but you can customize it. You can selectively choose what you want to download by clicking Deselect All. After that, scroll all the way down, click Next Step, choose Destination, File Type and Max File Size to download. You can choose third-party storage services to receive the download, or you can get the download link in your email. You can choose frequency of download. Is it one-time export or you want a regular backup? Then select File Format. Zip is good in most cases. And then select Download Size or File Size. Max is 50 GB. Let's say if file size to be downloaded is 4 GB and you select 2 GB from here. You will receive 2 download links for your data. It is to give you convenience in download process. So after you set all these parameters, click Create Export button at the bottom. And that is it. Depending on your choices, you will be able to download all your data from Google. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.